Today, we're going to tour a $4 million home for sale in the heart of Nashville, Tennessee. Hi, I'm Lorene Hetherington with Parks Realty and HetheringtonTeam.com. Our team specializes in Nashville homes for sale. This is brand new construction, a luxury home just minutes to some of the best restaurants and best shopping in all of Nashville. This home is amazing. The layout is really one of my favorites. It's a large home. It's 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 8,500 square feet, but it doesn't feel too large. I really think it's the way the rooms are connected. It could really work for a large family or a couple that simply likes to entertain. You are going to love the kitchen. The great room is luxe all the way, and the craftsmanship, again, first class all the way. They really paid attention to the details. The backyard setting is also lovely. Definitely room for a future pool. Before we get any further, I wanted to thank Stephen Myers with Friedrich & Clark. He's the listing agent. So appreciate him, and we thank you for watching. If you made it this far into the video, type yes if you want to see more luxury homes for sale. If you are moving to town, I just want to let you know there's lots of homes for sale that are not $4 million. There's a lot of homes in the 1 to 3, and our team would love the opportunity to show you around Nashville and help you find a great home. Without more details, let's go ahead and get inside for this tour. This new home is at 3612 Woodmont Boulevard in Nashville, Tennessee. Again, if you're thinking about moving to Nashville, give us a call and we will set you up for a personal tour inside this gorgeous new build. Our team specializes in Nashville real estate, and we're happy to help you move to Nashville, Tennessee. We'll see you next time.